Predictive archaeology uses AI to analyze where ancient civilizations might have thrived. Scanning deep beneath the surface, algorithms process terabytes of geological data, detecting subtle patterns in the landscape that the human eye would miss. It tells us where to dig before humans even step foot. Precision markers pinpoint locations with millimeter accuracy, guiding archaeologists to the exact spot. AI doesn't just find cities, it maps lost trade routes revealing economic and cultural exchanges. These ancient highways connected empires long before modern history recorded them, revealing a web of commerce that spanned known and unknown worlds. These algorithms reveal patterns hidden in plain sight for thousands of years, analyzing geological shifts to predict where settlements must have been located. But the greatest secrets lie deeper, beneath the oceans. AI-powered sonar mapping detects submerged cities faster than any human expedition. Vast metropolises that were swallowed by the rising tides millennia ago. Sonar waves highlight structures, revealing city layouts lost to time, mapping every street, every home, with precision that defies the murky depths. 3D reconstructions allow us to visualize what these lost cities looked like in their prime. Breathing life back into stone and silence, we see them as they once were. AI predictions also point to where ancient civilizations traded, thrived, and vanished mysteriously, leaving only data for us to find. Predictive archaeology is rewriting history before our eyes, showing us that the past still has secrets to reveal.